សម្ដេចព្រះមហាសង្ឃរាជទាំងពីរគណៈនៃព្រះរាជាណាចក្រកម្ពុជាទូព្រះបង្គំសូមអនុញ្ញាតដើម្បីនឹងអានសារថ្លែងអំណរអគុណចំពោះលោកប្រធានាធិបតី Donald Trump នៃសហរដ្ឋអាមេរិក Dear Mr. President Trump, we are standing here today with hearts full of appreciations for your instrumental role in bringing about the recent ceasefire between Cambodia and Thailand. The border conflict, which had escalated recently, caused immense sufferings and instability for the people of both nations. Your diplomatic engagement and visionary intervention were critical in de-escalating tension and facilitating a truce. Your commitment to promoting peace and stability for Cambodia and Thailand is deeply commendable. The ceasefire, which was achieved in recent talks in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, is a testament to your extraordinary statesmanship to resolve conflict and preventing catastrophic war between the two nations. It is our sincere hopes that this initial success will lay the groundwork for a lasting and comprehensive resolution to the long-standing territorial dispute. The people of both Thailand and Cambodia deserve to live in peace and without fear. Your actions have provided a path toward that goal, and for that we are profoundly grateful, and we thank you for your leadership and dedication to conflict resolution on the world stage. Today, 70,000 Cambodian Buddhist monks are wholeheartedly supportive of our Cambodian Prime Minister Hun Manet to nominate you for the Nobel Peace Prize in recognition of your historic contribution in advancing world peace. Please accept, Mr. President, the renewal assurances of our esteem. From the bottom of our hearts, we deeply thank you and the people of the United States of America for your kindness. May the Buddha bless you all. Right now, 2,569 Buddhist monks would like to bless you and the First Lady of America and the people of the United States of America a good health and a long life. Thank you, Mr. President. ជាយន្តោពុទ្ធិយមូលេអេវ៉ាំងថ្វាំងវិជយោហោហិជយាសុជយមង្គលេអបរាជិតបលាំងកេអភិសេកេសាពពធានាងអកបតោបមតទេសនាខាតាំងសុពភិយតាំងសហតតាំងសុខណោសមហតោចសយតាំងខណាងកាយកម្មងវាចាកម្មងបតៈខណាងបតៈខណាងតែបតៈខណាបតៈខណានិកាធ្វានលផន្តតេបតៈខេនេ